Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do curves with the pen tool. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to go and click on the pen tool, make sure it's on path, and go to the little cog right here and click on rubber band. First thing you want to do is make a point. After that, make a second point and click and drag, and it will make a curve for you. And as you can see, it does something like that. We could just keep it going in like a flat kind of shape. We could do something like that, and we can let's just get like a random gradient I got here. Let's do this. There you go. There's like a little curve kind of look right there. Obviously the bottom left isn't really filled, but we could just stretch it out. There's a little like curve thing you can do. You could also do something like this, which is good for like something like stream screens or like business cards, stuff like that. Make sure you alt click on the second point so it doesn't keep going. Go around the outside, and there you go. Click on selection, and then you can do whatever you want. So there's another curve. You can do stuff like that. You could do another curve on a different layer if you want. Let's just like do something random. There's another curve, and we could do, let's say we could do a different color. Let's do like red or something. There you go. That's a different color curve. So yeah, you could do this with any color or gradient as long as it looks nice. But yeah, that's really the effect. That's pretty much it for how to do curves with the pen tool. It's pretty simple to do. Once you get the hang of the pen tool, I recommend practicing doing curves and doing different shapes that you would use in your designs, and just practicing making different shapes. That's really how I got the hang of the pen tool, and it should work for you guys as well. The pen tool is a very, very useful tool in Photoshop, and it helps a lot. Yeah, that's just a random shape. You could literally do any kind of shape you want with the pen tool. I could do something like this. Do like a little cool X or something, you know? Do a little curve. This is just a really rough example of what you could do. Obviously you could do something way better with lots more practice. So that's like a little X. It's a little messed up on the right, but that you get what I'm doing here. You could make all kinds of shapes and curves and stuff like that using the pen tool. So yeah, that's basically how you make curves in Photoshop. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask down in the comments below. Be sure to smash the like if you guys learned something new today. And yeah, make sure to check down in the description for all my links and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.